The Big House Theatre Company in London stepped in on behalf of their members who are care-experienced young people to liaise with support services which were difficult to access due to the pandemic. They also provided resources and support by way of counselling, financial advice, as well as new online theatre courses and workshops. This resulted in the Ballad of Corona V, co-written to address the harsh realities of what has happened to some of the city's most marginalised young people.
The most impressive things about the Big House Theatre Company's response was their agile resilience. Their play, The Ballad of the Corona V, adapted the bubble six and social distancing rules, which I found very innovative and captures the difficult and unique time of 2020. I also think it preserves and suggests new practice to live performance.